Hello everyone, my name is Lightning Gamroid, and today I am so excited right now. I got these in the mail today. Yes. What are these? The last two figures I need to complete my collection for Action Series 10 and Celebrity Series 8. So you saw yesterday's video. I found two of the new Celebrity Series 9 sets. Wow, we're getting that already before this. But anyway, I now have everyone from the first 10 Action Series and the first 8 Celebrity Series. So now, as far as new figures, I already have every figure that I've collected in the past. So now it's on to new original figures if they come out with new figures. Wow, I can't believe it. I have over 900 unique figures. 914 to be exact. Alright. I'm gonna make this quick. I gotta get this video. I gotta film my video before I have to just do something else. Anyway, we have Mermaid Life Urania, and we have Power Simulator Hive Mind. Here's the back. And based on my calculations, I'm trying to factor in all of the mystery box figures, all of the deluxe mystery box figures for Action Series 11, core packs, game packs, other sets. We just might exceed 1,000 total unique figures. Wow, 1,000. Remember when Series 1 only had 40? Anyway. Okay, so here she is, Mermaid Life Urania. Mermaid that can actually stand. Yeah, we can stand. Is this a squid or an octopus? Here's a checklist. And we got the turtle. Ooh. Can I get this off? Maybe we'll get this off. Okay, bent it a bit, but that's fine. As long as I can scratch this off and get the code. Mermaid Crown of Power. Alright. Yeah, this game I really don't know too much about. Never played it. This I haven't played. Alright, Power Simulator Hive Mind. We got other things. We got a bumblebee. This is a wasp? Honeybee? What is this? Honeycomb launcher kind of thing. It's a weapon. Uh-oh. Yeah, I'm gonna redeem these later anyway. Alright. So, oh, come on. So here they both are. I don't have the other figures with me, but I can assure you that yes, this is all the figures from Celebrity Series 8. So Action Series 10 had a total of a whopping 91. There are 75 figures that we can count on the checklist. And no, the Mach 2 Mecha from the Tower Defense set does not count as a figure. But there are 75 that we see on the checklist, plus we have the Gold set, the 15th Anniversary Legends and Champion set, that adds up to 91. Celebrity Series, Action Series 10 was huge, and yet they still made Celebrity Series 8 so underwhelming, but still a pretty decent series. So yeah, only 5 minutes. So I guess we have a little bit of time. At the end of my admin calendar video, I am announcing a huge change to my channel starting in 2022. And you'll just have to wait and see what that's going to be. Anyway, that's going to be the end of this video. I know it was short. Not sure if there was really anything else. I would say I got them out of the boxes pretty fast. And like I said, I'm kind of in a rush to film this. This video will be uploaded later tonight. So thank you all for watching. If you like this video, then hit that thumbs up button, show some love and support. But if you don't like this video, then hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel, and we got Action Series 11 and Celebrity Series 9 to look forward to. Thank you for all watching. Goodbye.